Today on Get Your Eat On, I'm making tender collard greens in my pressure cooker with a smoked turkey wing. These greens go perfectly with my hot water cornbread, so be sure to check out that recipe too. Before we get started, check out my collard greens masterclass, where I show you how to select, clean, and cut fresh greens, plus share a few tips that make the process a whole lot easier. Now let's get into it. I start with one smoked turkey wing and add just enough water to cover it. Then I pressure cook it on high for 25 minutes. Cooking the turkey first creates a rich, flavorful broth that seasons the greens from the inside out. I already have 2 bunches of collard greens cleaned and chopped. Once the turkey wing is done, I carefully release the pressure, remove the wing, and set it aside. Next, I add the greens directly to that flavorful broth. There's no need for extra water because the greens are already holding plenty of moisture, and they'll release even more as they cook. As I add the greens, I season in layers with chopped onion, about a half teaspoon of Knorr Chicken Flavor Bouillon per layer, and black pepper to taste. I like seasoning in layers because it helps distribute the flavor throughout the entire pot. Once everything is in, I secure the lid and pressure cook the greens on high for 25 minutes. After the pressure releases, I open the lid and give everything a good stir. Look at that! 2 full bunches of greens cooked down into one beautiful dish. That smoked turkey broth brings plenty of flavor to these greens. They're tender, well-seasoned, and absolutely delicious. And trust me, these greens and that hot water cornbread are a match made in heaven. Here's the recipe card for your convenience with everything you need to make these collard greens at home. Take a screenshot and you'll have it ready when you're ready to cook. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, go ahead and get your eat on.